Alright, so workbench editor reveal if opened or open controls whether an editor is revealed in any of the visible groups if a file is opened. Well, that is not written there, but it is what it is. If disabled, an editor will prefer to open in the currently active editor group. So by default, if you have a file open in another group and you have this group selected and you try opening that file, it will open in this group because this is set to false by default. If enabled, an already opened editor will be revealed instead of opened again in currently active editor group. Note that there are some cases where the setting is ignored. For example, when forcing an editor to open in a specific group or to the side of a currently active group. Okay, so by default it's set to false. Let me show you what that looks like. So let's open this main here. Let's open this main here. Don't need that preview. Okay, so we have three groups, right? This group, this group, this group, and this is set to false by default, meaning that if we have this group selected and we try opening this file again, we're going to open it again in this group editor, right? To me, that makes no sense. So if we set it to true, what happens when you click that file is that you're just going to reveal it here. And if you have other files, so let's open a few more, and you try opening it again, it reveals it, right? So it switches back to that. To me, this makes more sense instead of opening the file here, because if I'm clicking that file, it's because I want to see it. And if it's already in an editor group, I would rather, like if I want to open it here, I would rather just do this, right? Instead of opening the file again, which makes no sense to me. So let's close this out. I'm leaving the setting set to true. I would rather reveal than opening it again.